Welcome to the training video for adding direct deposit. This will be a step-by-step guide to how to add direct deposit. First, log into UltiPro using your username and password. Once you have logged in, navigate to the menu button in the top left corner. Go to the Myself tab. Under the Pay section, select Direct Deposit. To begin, select Add in the right corner. If you do not see the Add option, please contact your manager. First, enter in the description. Enter in your bank name and enter your routing number. If you need assistance with determining which is your routing number and which is your account number, click on Routing Number for instructions. Enter your account number, then choose Account Type. You then have three choices to choose from. You can select a flat amount to deposit, or you can select a certain percentage amount to be deposited into the account. Lastly, you can select Available Balance. If you choose Available Balance, it will deposit your entire amount into your account. Keep in mind that you are able to add up to 8 different accounts. The last step is to click Save in the right-hand corner. Once you click Save, you'll then receive an alert stating that this change will result in a pre-note rather than a direct deposit. This is a normal alert. A pre-note is the process in which the bank communicates with our payroll system to confirm that this is in fact your bank account. Your direct deposit will then start once the payroll cycle has confirmed your identity. You will receive one more live check, and then the direct deposit process will begin. Thank you and have a great day.